I'm Uma Jallo. So I suffered from acne and I got rid of the acne pretty much, but a lot of scarring got left behind on my face. Yeah, I needed to get rid of it. I started getting acne at 13. I'm 24 now, so yeah, it's been a while. I did a lot of different stuff. I did like stuff like started off with Proactive and all them, like this face wash that didn't work. Then I did Accutane, and that's what really worked to get rid of the acne itself. Yes, I've done every single thing I feel like in the book. I've done like 20 micro needlings. That didn't do nothing. Nothing at all. The peels, TCA cross, derma roller. There's so many I can't even name, but I've done almost everything that you can search about that I just literally gave up. So that's the good thing about Bellafill. I don't get left any scarring behind. So it was to get rid of the acne scarring. And I heard that Bellafill is the way to go. It was like quick. I didn't really feel no pain on this side and this side. I went out that day and I felt more confidence because I saw the plumpness in my face. Then I can finally take pictures and, feel confident amongst all my friends with clear skin. Well, he has good reviews and a friend of mine told me about him. They're really nice. They're very, very friendly. Everybody, when you walk in, they smile. It's like you're coming into somebody's house. They're very friendly. It's worth more. I've seen more improvement than the microneedling that I've spent thousands and all them other stuff, definitely. And this is just one go, and I've seen more improvement on this one than the others.